Okay, hey everybody, Terry Brown. I'm back with another video for you today. And as you can see, it says a program to believe in, okay? And if you're interested in being able to get paid daily, cash daily, then this is the program you want to take a look at, okay? And I'm introducing what I'm calling my 30-30-30 system, okay? So stay with me and find out what this is all about, and we're gonna get right into it, okay? All right. Oh, before I do change my slide look, I'm gonna have some bonus information for you, some bonus links. Be sure to check those out as well in the description area of this video, okay? So let's get into it, okay? Okay, so let's look at this together. Not going to be real long. We don't need to be long because this is a powerful little program, okay? A little program that can yield great rewards, okay? So it says, this simple system just plain works, okay? No hype, just the truth. And I talk about this, but I've actually put it into something that people can see, okay? I call it my 30-30-30 system, okay? And it gives you something to think about. One, it's $30 one time out of pocket. It's actually $29.95, but we rounded it up, okay? So it's $30 one time out of pocket. Give it 30 minutes per day, okay? Obviously, you can do more, okay? But recommending 30 minutes, at least 30 minutes per day, okay? And then your desire level, 30% or above desire level. Mine is above 30%, okay? And so I work on this program. You can work on it. It's very simple. Everything is given to you. You've got a powerful mini marketing site. You get a powerful ebook, man, with all the ads. And I use a lot of what they give me, and then I put it into my own words. I make it very simple. It's very easy to do. You can do the same thing, okay? And so the idea is get to the place where you're getting paid cash, paid daily, okay? It's an honest, ethical business, and we have it right here for you. The link is in the description area of this video. The program is Easy 20 Now. You may have heard of it. Perhaps you haven't heard of it, but now you're hearing about it. Okay, Easy 20 Now. Just a powerful, low cost, high profit potential business opportunity. I encourage you that, if you're looking for something, a nice side hustle business, to get involved. And I do want to emphasize the importance of this, being consistent and persistent. That's going to make you successful. Also, again, check out the bonus links in the description area of this video, because you could do a couple of things all at one time, low cost, high profit potential opportunities, and make some money. So it's time to get started now, okay? I'm Terry Brown, and I'm wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today. As a matter of fact, I'm wishing you success and abundance. All right now, you be blessed. Bye-bye.